Hello everyone, welcome to Letscode.xyz. So, Letscode.xyz will be making a series of video tutorial on using Linux, using Node.js. Sorry, not Linux. So let's get started. So, what is actually a Node.js? Node.js is basically a server-side scripting language. So it's open source, it uses JavaScript, it runs on almost all the operating systems. So what's so special about Node.js? It's basically an asynchronous programming language. So let's discuss what this asynchronous programming language by taking a common example. So let's say you run a hotel, and then a client or customer comes in and makes a request. He wants to buy a burger, so it's a chicken burger, and you have like 5 to 6 subordinates under you. So you are the manager of the store basically. So you tell your first subordinate to go get the bun, and second subordinate to go get the chicken, and third subordinate to go get the veggies, and fourth subordinate to go get the sauce, and then ask your fifth subordinate to put it all together when he receives everything, and then sixth subordinate to deliver it to your customer. So once you're done executing these commands, you are ready to handle the next request, basically ready to handle your next customer. So that's how Node.js works. Let's see how the same task will be handled by PHP or other server-side scripting language. So customer comes in and make a request for a chicken burger. You tell your first subordinate to go get the bun. Then you wait till he completes his task, and then tell your second subordinate to go get the chicken, and wait till he completes the task, and then the rest follows till your last subordinate put the burger together and delivers to the customer, and then you can ready to attend to your second customer. So you could see how inefficient you will be if you are running your hotel like that. So that's how basically most of the other server-side scripting language works. So let's come to a scenario here, the actual scenario. So let's say your client makes a request to your server to handle a file. So basically PHP or Node.js, both of them, is going to convert the request to a task and then send it to a file system, to the corresponding file system. So, and PHP will wait for that operation to complete and then return the content to the client, and then it is ready to handle the next request. Whereas in Node.js, once it converts the request to task and send to the file system, it doesn't care about the output. It's ready to handle the next request from the client. So when the operation is complete, it will return the content to the client. So within these two tasks, it could handle n number of requests from n number of clients, whereas the other scripting language is not going to do that. It's going to wait for it to complete, and then it will go handle requests from the other clients. So that's how good Node.js is in terms of handling requests from the clients. So that's why it's called asynchronous. Yep. So hope I made it clear. So what can Node.js do? Sorry, I'm gonna cough. So Node.js can generate dynamic page content and basically do what all other scripting server-side scripting language can do. So it can open, read, write, delete and close files on server. It can collect data from form, and then it can add, delete, modify data in your database. It's perfect. It can do everything, and it can do all these things asynchronously, so that makes it efficient. So yeah, we are slowly narrowing down. We are going to see how a Node.js file is going to look like. Node.js file contains all the tasks that will be executed when the client makes certain request. A typical event is someone trying to access a port on the server. So let's say your client wants to access www.google.com. So you will have a predetermined function return to handle that particular request, and then that will be executed every time a client makes a request. So, and those scripts will be basically inside the Node.js file, and then that file ends with the extension .js. So that's it in this video tutorial. The next video tutorial will discuss further about Node.js. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys in the next tutorial. Bye for now.